Now you can't be crunching them in the background.
I don't know, but it smells like a lot of hairspray.
What's up, my Shuggies? Ashley here, and in today's video I have another Yeezy unboxing. I finally was able to get my hands on a pair of Yeezy 350 in the Cinder color. So if you are interested in seeing this unboxing review, then just keep watching. Don't give me your side eye. All right, it is finally here. Albeit a few weeks later, I finally, thanks to my amazing husband, was able to obtain a pair of these Cinders because I could not, for the life of me, get a pair in the raffle. I couldn't get a pair online. I couldn't get a pair in store. Both him and I tried for 2 days straight and I was unsuccessful. I got a big old L. But he surprised me and was able to get a pair online. So we are going to unbox these Yeezy 350s in the Cinder color. I'm also going to do a side-by-side comparison, comparing them to the non-reflective so you can see the differences between the two. Bam! Look at those beauties. This is a size 7.5, and I have to say they are very simplistic and beautiful. These are definitely a gray black color. They are, I believe that, do they have a dark black, babe?
No.
No, this is the deepest, darkest black that they have. So I will show you, like I said, a comparison of these and the non-reflective so you can see the differences. But as you can see all the way around, these are a very monochromatic color. There is not any other color blended into the tweed or different textures at all. It is just all simply the same gray black color. It does have the seam down the front, the same as the non-reflective black, and it does have the pull tab in the back, except for this pull tab is just one color. Also, a difference is the gum bottom. It is all gray except for the back and of course the bottom sole. It's that nice dark beige color. It also does have the mesh on the side, but it is non-reflective and a little bit transparent. I'm also going to do a comparison on the foot so you can see what it looks like on. I did get some comments about that in the past videos that I've done. I know it's different seeing them and seeing them on the feet, so I'll definitely give you that view as well. They do retail for $220 as always, so I'm going to do a side-by-side comparison to the non-reflective black so you can see the color difference. So this is a ginormous 2 times, look how big, 2 times, maybe even 3 times the size of my shoe. This is in a 14.5, and this is the non-reflective black. So as you can see, the stitching is different. The stitching on mine is completely inverted, and then the stitching on the non-reflective black is basically pulled out and like an open stitched together. The laces obviously are completely different. Mine are going to be one solid color, all black, and his are almost like a black and white reflective component. Also, the stitching down the center, as you can see, mine is that simple stitching, and this is kind of an all over, say like a crisscross mixed stitching as well. In the side view, you can see there's a little bit of difference in the gum bottom. His is like completely black and mine is a dark gray with that beige piece on the back. Underneath, the sole obviously is white, and then the gum bottom on mine is beige with a pop of yellow, and his is just all completely blacked out. So the main differences obviously are going to be the color variances between the two. I would say in person it's not as noticeable as it is on camera. I would say with his as well, there is some different color levels of black woven into his shoe. Whereas with mine, again, like I said, it is just one monochromatic color and there are no color depth variations in it at all. Again, carrying with the theme of how it is stitched in the back, they carry that as well. This is more of an open stitch, and this is a seamless closed stitch, as you can see here. So overall, a very similar shoe, but definitely different enough to be able to keep them both. Of course, that is if you have the opportunity to do so. I did get mine in a 7.5. I would say the 7.5 is absolutely true to size. The only pair that I've had thus far that is different in sizing has been the Earth. I think that that one does run big, but as far as this goes, I would definitely get your size. Again, in women's, I am an 8.5, and I got a 7.5, and it fits perfect. So definitely go down one size only. If I went down to a 7, this would definitely be too small on me. So I hope that that helps some of those people, that, especially women, that have that confusion, because you have to change sizes, convert to men's. You don't know if it runs big, if it runs small, if it's true to size. So there's a lot of different components going into that, and I know it's really important, especially with something that you most of the time can't purchase in store. You want to be sure of your sizing. So with this, definitely just one size down for women. One other component that I wanted to talk about is I did do some research on this shoe, and I have seen on a couple different websites that they did discuss this coming out in the reflective color, which wasn't going to be that much of a difference other than this side mesh piece being reflective. But I haven't gotten any updates from any of those websites in regards to what date that's going to be. So if any of you know anything about that, feel free to leave me a comment down below, because I would love to see if I could enter that raffle and win those Cinders. I'm gonna go ahead and put these on so you can see what they look like on my feet.